Hey guys, just going to record you a quick video on how to create and upload your own custom photo to your Xbox Live profile as a gamer photo. So as you can see on screen, I'm using Google Gemini. You can use any AI that you want, but you just tell it to make a photo that you want. I told it to make a silly pig with a hat. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, you can go over to your gallery. It should just be in there. So I'm just going to use the in-phone editor. I'm not going to download anything off the App Store. I made it a little bit larger, and you can go mess around with the fonts, this, that, the other, customize it how you'd like. So this is what I came up with at the end. So once you've got that, you just go over to your Xbox app, you click on your profile picture, click the top left button, click the photo, you crop it how you'd like it, and you click upload. It's that simple. Hope I help, guys. See ya.